This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. Coffee. I want to thank everybody that's gone to my coffee page to buy me coffee, because I love coffee. You want to go to my coffee page and give me a couple of bucks for some coffee? I'd really appreciate that. There's a link in the description, so you can go there now if you'd like. But come back and watch the rest of the video. You know, you got to do that. I'm really happy today though, because yesterday we did the unboxing of this little jewel right here, the DeWalt reciprocating saw. Yeah. Oh, this thing it was awesome. If you didn't get to see that video, if you haven't seen it yet, well, somewhere around here there'll be a link so you can go back and take a look at it. If not, well, search for it on my channel. Hey, my whole studio is falling apart. Yeah, it was a pretty good unboxing, and the big news is we're giving that saw away. Just going to give it away. That's it. Just take it. All you have to do is send me an email, and I have the address right here. Look at this. Boom. Oh, right there. That's the email address. Send me a short email telling me why you deserve this saw, or why somebody you know deserves this saw. And I got a tiny channel. This is a small channel. I think we're up to 214 subs now, and that's really good. I'm happy for that. But that means even if all 240 people tried to win this saw, you still got pretty good odds that you're going to win this saw. So, just take a couple of seconds, write me a quick email, send it to me, tell me why you deserve this saw, and you could win it. And I even include the shipping. I'll ship it right to you. This thing might go to Slovenia. Who knows? Or across the street. I don't know. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And I get excited anyway when I talk about tools. And there's one tool guy out there that I really, really, really enjoy. And I have been since, I think he started his show back in the 90s. And no, it's not Tim the Toolman Taylor. No, it's this guy right here. Red Green and the Red Green Show. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen this. Really, really big in Canada. It was actually produced by the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation. And he got a huge following in the United States as well. Now, I found out about the Red Green Show through my dad. He actually was just surfing through the channels one day, and it came up, Red Green Show. And my dad started watching it because he actually knows, or he did know, a man named Red Green who lived in Canada. So he watched one episode and was hooked. He had to watch it every week after that. And we had it here in this country, in the United States, on the, the Public Broadcasting Network. So, it was every week. I think it ran like 2 or 3 times on a Saturday, and extremely funny show. It's all about the Possum Lodge and this tiny little town, fictitious town that doesn't really exist in Canada. And the man who portrays Red Green, his real name is Steve Smith, and he's a very talented comedian. Even after the show went off the air, I think it did 5 seasons, went off the air. This guy's been touring ever since then. He just stopped touring. He's been all over the United States, all over Canada, other countries. And it's hard to explain exactly what he does. He's got a whole cast of characters there, including his nephew, who is portrayed by some other guy. I can't remember his name right now. But I'll leave a link to the Red Green Show, and you can check it out and find out all about it for yourselves. But let's look at a quick clip, and you'll see what I mean about this guy. He would do projects on his show. He had Handyman Corner every week, and they were just insane. Kind of stuff that I really like to watch. So let's take a look at one of these.
You know how every once in a blue moon the world gives you credit, huh? Happens to me once every year. On that special garbage day where people can put out anything they want of any size and the garbage collectors have to take it? Well, that's the day everybody wishes they had a van like mine. Take a look at this. Huh? What do you see here? Huh? Bathtubs, taps, showers, nozzles, drains, U-joints. Now, I suppose you could use this stuff to put a guest bathroom in your house. What'll that get you? Yes. Today, we're going to go top drawer. We're going to build a barbecue that's going to be a gas grill. Isn't that something? Huh? Then we got the copper pipes there carrying the gas, and we got shower nozzles as burners. The cheese slices all ready to go. You want to limit your gas, maybe 2 slices a piece on that. And then we got the shower rack here with our shampoo bottles, but I've emptied them out, and I put the ketchup in this one, and I put the mustard in this unit, and I got the special barbecue sauce in here. And here's an extra little feature I added. A little cold water tap there hooked into a cold water shower, kind of deal with the flare-ups, you know, kind of keep the flames down in there, because I'll tell you something, nothing takes the fire out of your loin chops like a cold shower. All right, you're asking what's cooking? Well, come take a look. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? See, you got the hot dogs on there, and over in here, of course, we got our chicken. By golly, I think you know everybody loves a burger, don't they? You got to remember, the women don't find you handsome. They should at least find you handy. Look at that. There's an American standard.
My favorite handyman corner that he did was when he took an old Chrysler Cordoba and he turned it into a tank using storm fence. I mean, the projects he does, they're extremely stupid, and I love them. They were great. It was a show that lasted about, I think, 5 seasons, and but now it can live on forever on YouTube, right? So I'm going to leave a link to his official website. He does have a podcast that he does from time to time, and you might want to check that out. Like I mentioned before, he doesn't tour anymore, so you won't be able to see him on stage, but you can check out his podcast, and I think you really should. I have. He's extremely funny. That's going to do it for this week's edition of YouTube Monday, where every Monday I give you another YouTube channel to watch just to keep you entertained. Isn't that nice of me? That's going to do it for this week, and don't forget, we're giving away that Sawzall. This one right here, we're going to give it away. Actually, it's a DeWalt reciprocating saw, not a Sawzall. That's a brand name. But we're going to give this beauty away, and I mentioned it before. All you got to do, send me an email right there. That's the email address. Tell me why you need this saw, why I should give it to you. And we're going to give away this saw in a couple of days. You had 2 days, all right? I mean, you had 2 days to send me an email and try to win this saw. Sunday's gone. Today's Monday. This is your last day. When Tuesday, when Tuesday comes around, I'm not taking any more entries. So please do that. In a few days, I will give away this saw. Good luck to you. I hope you win it. I'm talking directly to you. You know who you are. That's going to do it for the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG, and I'm out.